Are you seeing that most of these solutions have care coordination, home modifications, caregiver training, respite care, bed reservation, all these other benefits that we love in the individual market?
I would say not as common, but because they pay out indemnity style, you can use the cash for whatever you want as long as you're getting some level of qualified service, but not during the 90-day elimination. Some of the individual products might give you something during the waiting period. The other thing that they're starting to have, though, we saw one of the big carriers announce this, is they're starting to offer caregiving solutions within the product by bundling something like a family caregiver concierge. You can use it day 0, day 1. So there's newer, I'll call it benefits that are emerging, but maybe not specifically the ones that you mentioned that are on the individual side.
Okay. And those are extremely valuable to the family at claim time or when care is needed, or there's a transition of care, having somebody to, hold their hand and walk them through. Okay, here's how we can best support you as a caregiver. Right. These are things to consider, right? Because we know there's a huge caregiver burnout, and there are over 50 million caregivers in the United States. Right?
Exactly. And I will say this, most people that are buying this on a voluntary basis probably have had a caregiving experience. So one thing these products allow you to do is not only get the family caregiving benefit for you when you need it, which might be far into the future, but also if you're currently caregiving, they allow you to extend that to you as a family caregiver to take care of your parents. So you might get benefits from the policy on day 1 just because of that caregiver benefit.
So helpful. Yeah. If we can help to reduce stress and save that burnout, that's going to be tremendously helpful for the caregiver and their entire family, because we know what that looks like, right? When there's not a plan and you don't have the support system in place. So those are great kind of extra other benefits that we're seeing in these solutions.